Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to easily reshape an image into a perspective view using Canva. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Canva and then open your designs like this, and then go to apps, and then just search for this Skew image. Choose this app, this one, and then next just choose the image that you want to reshape like this. And after that, you can just adjust the horizontal skew as you like for example like this, and then vertical skew, for example like this. Just adjust it as you like, and when you're done, just tap on Add to Designs, like this. Like this, your image is ready. And okay, that's it. Now you can easily create a perspective image in Canva. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.